Jordan owns 15 pairs of sneakers. 3/5 of the pairs are red and the rest are white. 2/3 of the pairs are high top and the rest are low top. The red high top sneakers make up some fraction of the whole collection. What is the least possible value of this fraction? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, count each kind. 3/5 of 15 is 9. So 9 pairs are red and the other 6 are white. 2/3 of 15 is 10. So 10 pairs are high top and the other 5 are low top. Now organize this in a two-way table. The columns are red and white. The rows are high top and low top. The red column adds to 9. White adds to 6. The high top row adds to 10. And the low top row adds to 5. We want the fewest red high tops. So push as many red pairs as possible down into low top. But there are only 5 low top pairs. So at most 5 red pairs can be low top. That forces at least 9 minus 5, which is 4 red pairs to be high top. In short, red plus high top minus the total is 9 plus 10 minus 15. Which equals 4. So at least 4 of the 15 pairs are red high tops. The least possible fraction is 4/15, which is answer choice C.